What time is it, man?
6 o'clock. About to roll out.
Yeah, but what time is it?
It's race time. Gotta cut to the chase and race.
Yeah? It's the first
Nip this in the bud.
Yeah, it's first ride of the year for us.
Yep. Nip it in the bud.
Yeah.
First inning of a double-header shredder for me.
Yeah. I think you're being a little bit modest on your level of intensity right now. I think the fire's burning inside right now, ain't it?
Well, yeah, ready to go.
Yeah.
Get it.
Less talk, more action.
Mm-hmm. Actions speak louder than words.
Yeah, well, we're about to see what those actions are.
That's great.
Really good. So this is awesome efficiency, guys. I mean, it's not a big trunk, but I love how he's able to get those bikes in there just like perfectly, man. Yeah, it's only 7 o'clock, guys, so the ride starts at 8, so we're nice and early. It's cool. There it is, the finish line. There's security guard directing us. Nice park. All right, you guys, so we got plenty of time to kind of relax, get ready, and we're gonna get changed. But the weather looks good. I think it's like what, 60 or something, dude?
65 degrees.
60-ish, yeah, it's nice. Okay. Oh, we got a passenger who wants to join. Who is that, man? You know her?
Yeah.
Oh, you know him? Him? Oh, her. Yeah. All right.
That's
Can't
why,
see because I'm looking through the camera.
Why she parked right by.
Nice.
Just figure out a way to put them on the post, maybe that might.
Just coming here to the registration. Make sure I got my stuff.
You gotta get a wristband. It's in here.
Good morning.
Hey, how you doing? Yes, I'm already signed up. Where do I go? Right there. All right.
I don't have duct tape. Can you
Here, nice and early. What's up, dude?
What's up, boy?
You ready?
Good morning.
Wendy Carter.
Wendy Carter.
Yeah.
Wendy Carter.
What was that other name?
Do you have a good turnout so far?
And then Carter.
Hey, Wendy, how you doing?
How are you?
Good.
Thank you.
Yvonne Blasquez.
Sorry.
IVAN BLAZ QUZ. Got my driver's license.
You got Velasquez.
B as in boy, LAZ. Yeah, that one.
Ivan.
You guys have the best shirts, always.
Oh, well,
Yeah.
I like the black color this year.
Oh, really?
It's nice, yeah.
Yeah. That's great.
Wear it with a lot, you know?
Yeah. So glad you guys are putting this on. We love it.
Awesome.
Yeah,
So
it's always
glad.
like a slip screen, smooth silk road.
Yeah, good.
Yeah.
No rain today, so that's good.
Yeah, it's always kind of,
Kind of iffy.
yeah. Thank you very much. Like this, huh?
Uh-huh.
It's gonna be hard to balance with the aero bars.
You must get something else.
Go hold on.
So tell me what I need to do.
Just rotate it like that. Keep rotating it and squeeze it on there a little bit.
Rotating it, or?
Go all the way down to the chain with the nozzle. All the way down.
Here?
Touch the chain with the bottle. Yeah. Spinning it faster. Like that.
Alright.
Alright, that's enough.
Okay.
You don't want it too saturated.
Yeah.
And you gotta switch the gears while you're spinning it. Keep on switching them. All the way up and all the way down.
How about the other side? Do I switch the other side too?
No, you can just
the back.
yeah, you just
Okay, you don't have to do the front one.
No.
All right.
Keep going.
Okay. What? Keep switching it?
Yeah, put it. Let it spin in one gear first for a little bit before you click it to the next one. Feel it being looser?
Yeah, it does. It feels real loose.
Yeah, good. It's getting all the dirt out of there.
It feels efficient. It feels more efficient, dude.
Dude, you're gonna be fast as fuck.
No, that feels like it. You know what? You know what I noticed? It felt like it caught a lot better. Like it felt like it caught quicker, you know, and just you might have stopped it. Does it say REC in red?
Yeah.
Okay, so then that's fine. Now I can edit this stuff.
You're gonna have to edit this video.
That's okay.
A lot.
I don't have to edit it all. Well, I've got plenty of video to edit, so that's the part that's
We got the Honda Fit in the background.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Thanks for showing me how to do that, man. The
Yeah.
lube up with the chain.
Well,
So what is this? This right here?
yeah,
That's the one?
that's that tri-flow.
Yeah.
I need to get that white lightning stuff next
Yeah.
time.
All right.
Cause we ride like lightning, so we need to go white lightning.
Yeah. It's a cool water bottle from the Bring It to the Bay, man. I like that shiny orange, huh?
Yep. It's nice.
So that's it, man. You got plenty of time to just chill.
Right.
So to make those announcements. He said it on 3, I think, or till 3. Absolutely love the pace line. Awesome slipstream, silk smooth roads. So I just finished the ride. I'm glad it's over. It was a good ride. It was really fun. The beginning, you know, with the pace line, and then I don't know, it just got that headwind just got to me on the way back. But you know, I'm just glad to be finished. I'm glad it's over. You know, it took a while. I think it took me like an hour and 16, 17 minutes to do the 20. I don't think it's 25. I think it's like 22 point something. But anyway, it was a great ride. So it's time to just kind of hang out a little bit. Wait for Evan. He's doing the 40. So anyway, thank you guys for coming along. You know, I lost motivation, and I guess it's not. I mean, that kind of confirms the reason why, because like you were saying, dude, it was like tearing you apart. The wind was coming sideways, it was coming front ways, right?
All different directions. Dude, you had to stay focused 100%, man. I've never experienced wind like that before.
Yeah, and that
was incredibly taxing and stressful. That ride was super stressful.
Yeah, I think
we were all tired. We were all exhausted. We were just trying to draft as much as possible.
Yeah.
Find that wheel, man. I mean, I pulled a lot.
I don't doubt that.
When they say I probably pulled too much. The beginning of the ride, I probably put 50% of my effort into it. I probably stayed out there for about 30 minutes total.
Mm-hmm.
At least 15, 20 minutes.
Yeah.
On the way out, it was smooth. But on the way back, dude, I wouldn't hit you like a ton of bricks. And
yeah.
It became stressful as hell. I mean, the whole way back.
Yeah, I was with you guys for the first, I would say first 10 miles, quite honestly. And the first 10 miles like literally flew by. Yeah. And then I turned at the 12.5 to turn. And when I turned, like it was almost like the wind was let out of the sails, dude. Totally lost motivation because I was just out there on my own, and it was like it was nobody to ride behind. It was just dealing with the wind. I had to like you know, drop down on the gears because it was just, man, it was just like, I don't know, I was just like, why am I losing motivation? And it had to be because I didn't feel like dealing with the wind, you know?
Right, because of the wind, that'll do it.
Yeah.
I'll slow down on that ride.
Yeah, you did good, man, as always. It's fantastic.
I mean, all the guys, I was riding with two local guys, two guys from the Giro, and they were thankful for my help.
Yeah.
And some other guys, and then the whole pack was just trying to hang on behind us. But man, it was just, there was no like, I'm the boss on this ride.
Yeah.
There was none of that. It was just like, let me get to the fucking finish.
So I'm just gonna film these cars because I know some of you guys are, I have a diverse, you know, you guys have a diverse following on my channel, so I figured I'd get some of these rides here. You guys can appreciate this. Ah, it's so cool. I don't know anything about that engine, but if you guys want to chime in the comment section, feel free. So cool. Got some classics out here too. So cool. These rides, man. So cool. Well, there's some information. '72 Chevy right here, Chevelle. It's all the information you need right here. It says it right here on the labels. I mean, it's tight. '61 Chrysler, 1957 Chevy, 1964. This is, I'm sure you guys appreciate this one. 19, it's got to be 1923, right? Or 18? Ford? I don't know. Maybe not. I don't know. It's pretty new to me. Cool neon green. I like this one. That is so cool. '65 Ford Cobra model. Love the color and the tint. Nice ride. 1930.
Yeah, they got bags.
Way worse than that. You're probably all picked up.
Wait.